What if I told you one smoothie could help fight inflammation, boost your brain health, and even reverse cellular damage without needing expensive supplements or medications? It sounds wild, right? But here's the deal. Chronic inflammation is this sneaky culprit behind so many issues. Joint pain, fatigue, brain fog, even heart disease. The good news, the right foods can literally change your body from the inside out. Today I'm sharing an anti-inflammatory smoothie backed by science that's not just delicious, it's a total game changer for healing, longevity, and mental clarity. Whether you're stressed, feeling achy, or just want to protect your future health, this smoothie is a natural way to get started. Let's break down the 5 powerhouse ingredients that make it a healing hero. First up, wild blueberries, the brain saver. These tiny berries are loaded with anthocyanins, which studies have shown reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Seriously, just 1 cup a day can boost memory and help keep your mind sharp. Can't find wild, regular blueberries still rock, but wild ones pack even more antioxidants per ounce. Next, turmeric, nature's anti-inflammatory. The magic comes from curcumin, a compound proven for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine to heal the gut, joints, and brain. My best tip, add a pinch of black pepper. It boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Without it, you're missing out on most of the benefits. Now, spinach, the silent detoxer. Don't underestimate these greens. Spinach is rich in chlorophyll for detox, plus folate to support DNA repair and brain health. It's especially great if you're bouncing back from stress or illness. And if you're craving variety, kale or chard works too. Fourth, chia seeds, the omega-3 booster. Everyone talks about omega-3s for brain health, and chia seeds are one of the best plant sources out there. With fiber and blood sugar support, just 1 tablespoon keeps you full and your inflammation in check. Bonus, soak them to make your smoothie extra creamy. Finally, unsweetened almond milk and a chunk of fresh ginger. Almond milk is anti-inflammatory and dairy-free, so it won't trigger issues for most people. Ginger and turmeric together calm digestion, reduce bloating, and help flush toxins. And here's a myth I hear all the time. Anti-inflammatory foods don't matter unless you go 100% plant-based. Not true. Even small changes, like drinking this smoothie 4 or 5 times a week, can seriously lower inflammation in your body. It's about building habits, not perfection. Honestly, a few months ago I was exhausted, foggy, and just off. I started adding this smoothie to my mornings, and wow, the difference was real. My energy came back, my digestion improved, and I finally felt clear-headed again. It didn't happen overnight, but within weeks I was bouncing back. So here's what goes in the ultimate anti-inflammatory smoothie. 1 cup wild blueberries, a handful of spinach, half a teaspoon turmeric with a pinch of black pepper, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, and a small chunk of fresh ginger, man. Blend it up, drink it daily, and let nature do its magic. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment I'm starting today, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.